my role model. Paradise is my goal. Here is Khazeena of grade 2 who is going to tell you about Islam. Listen to it carefully.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I am Khazeena of grade 2 Ali Public School, Kolar. I am going to tell you about Islam. People who follow the religion of Islam are called Muslims. There are around 1.6 billion Muslims in the world. Muslims are those who believe in one God, who they call Allah. Believers of Islam are called Muslims. They believe that the Quran was spoken to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam by the angel Jibreel, and it is the word of Allah. Believers of Islam are called Muslims. They view Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as a messenger. Islam placed a high value on education spread among diverse people. Islam teaches us that Allah is merciful and all powerful and unique and has guided mankind through Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. There are 5 pillars in Islam: Shahada, Salah, Saum, Zakat and Hajj. Islam is based on 6 beliefs: belief in the existence and oneness of Allah, belief in the existence of angels, belief in the existence of the books of Allah, belief in the existence of messengers, belief in all good, evil, faith is from Almighty Allah, belief in the resurrection after death. Jazakallahu khair.